No way. Do it again.
He said, do it again.
Do it again.
Do it again.
That will, we get stove. And
Look, we all went to video mode. Do it again.
No, I did it.
350 pounds on each side here. We have a
Do that again.
power tonneau
Hold
cover.
on.
What'd you just do? You open up something here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the gear tunnel where they have like a stove top and a sink that comes out through here. I keep a golf bag in there. But you got an air compressor in the back. Here's a lift of 14 inches up or
Going
down.
around.
It lifts itself up?
Yeah.
What? Do it. Do it.
Close the door all over.
You're like on the spotlight. Imagine what he made for it.
Yeah, I don't know. That's my next question. What did he pay for it? Man, this thing's lifting itself up. Wow.
Yeah, 4 cameras, like 16 cameras all the way around. If anyone comes next to it, it's like moves, it notifies your VDF, all that stuff.
What was the price of this?
They're 90 now.
Only 90?
I wish that's what I got it for.
What are the weekly? What is it?
They're like 90 now.
What did you just do?
5,000 in the world, so I had to buy it from the guy.
5,000 in the world? Whoa. What'd you just do?
You just closed it.
What'd you just do? Oh, you're closed and open the...
Tonneau cover.
Son of a bitch. It lifts up itself up and down.
There you go.
Wow. Where'd you find it at?
Texas.
Craigslist? What'd you say? Yeah.
All electric. Yeah, 900 horsepower.
900 horsepower?
330 mile range.
Do you mind if I get a...
Yeah. Bean leather.
Wow.
Yeah,
This thing drive itself?
real wood on the dash. It's not even like they did real wood on the dash. It's kind of crazy.
She come with it?
This is the real Tesla can't make them, but Rivian can.
Unbelievable. That's green, isn't it?
Yeah, they call it launch screen.
Launch
Yeah,
screen?
when you push the gas, it goes 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds. It'll beat every supercar on the road.
What are the weekly payments on that?
Weekly payment?
Yeah, what are the weeklies on it?
Have a good one.
All right, guys. That is too wild. It backs itself out. Look at it go down. What you doing? All electric. Only 5,000 in the world. Wow.